been assigned to teach you brief exercise 11-6. And the problem is the stockholders' equity section of Concord Corporation's balance sheet consists of common stock, $8 par, $1,096,000, and retained earnings of $500,000. A 10% stock dividend for 13,700 shares is declared when the market price per share is $15. So part A, we are trying to find the stockholders' equity. So we will start by filling in the blanks. Stockholders' equity goes on top. Paid-in capital goes below. And the textbook outlines this pretty well. And the common stock goes here. Paid-in capital in excess of par value common stock, total paid-in capital, retained earnings, and total stockholders' equity. So common stock, we can see that we have $1,096,000. We will fill that in here. And there isn't any paid-in capital in excess, so we're going to leave that blank. And since there is no paid-in capital in excess, the total paid-in capital is the $1,096,000. And the retained earnings, we can see that the retained earnings are $500,000. And so the total stockholders' equity is the sum of the total paid-in capital and the retained earnings. And that gives us $1,596,000. And so to get the afters, we can see right here, that the $1,096,000 added a 10% stock dividend. And so we will multiply the $1,096,000 by 0.1, which is 10%, and that gives us $109,600. And we are going to take that $109,600. We are going to add it to the $1,096,000. And when we add those two together, we get $1,205,600. And to get the paid-in capital in excess, we are just going to take the difference between the market price per share, which is 15, and we are going to subtract it by the $8 par, and that equals 7. And we are going to multiply that 7 by the 13,700 shares, and that'll give us the 95,900. And the total paid-in capital is simply the sum of the common stock and the paid-in capital in excess, which is the $1,205,600 and the 95,900, and that gives us $1,301,500. And to get the retained earnings, we are going to, you remember how the difference between the $1,205,600 and the $1,096,000, that was the $109,600 we got before. We are going to take that $109,600 and we are going to add that to the $95,900 here. And that gives us $205,500. We are going to take that $205,500 and we are going to subtract it by the $500,000. And $500,000 minus $205,500 will give us the $294,500. And the total stockholders' equity, it's simply the sum of the total paid in capital and the retained earnings. And that gives us the same 1,596,000. And that is part A. Part B is, it's really simple. And to get the 137,000 right here, you can see that the shares were sold at $8 par, and that equated to the 1,096,000. So we simply divide the 1,096,000 by the 8, and that gives us 137,000. And to get the after, we simply add the 13,700 shares, and that gives us 150,700. I hope I helped you out, and let me know if you have any questions. And thank you. Good luck.